In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and resize container columns in Card. Whether you're a seasoned Card user or new to the platform, having an organized and visually appealing layout is crucial for effectively conveying your message. Let's dive into how you can make your page stand out using container columns. To get started, first head over to your Card Editor dashboard. Once you're there, look for the plus sign. This button is essential as it allows you to add different elements to your page. Click on the plus sign to begin. After clicking the plus sign, you'll see a variety of element options appear. You'll want to select Container from these options. Containers are a versatile tool in Card that help you manage multiple elements in a structured way. Next, you'll need to determine the type of container you want. For this, click on the drop-down menu labeled Type. This menu provides several options for how your container will behave. Choose Columns to continue. Columns are particularly useful when you want to place content side by side, giving your page a tidy, organized look. Now, you should see a drop-down menu that allows you to edit the properties of your columns. Clicking on this menu offers you several customization options, everything from the number of columns to their individual properties. If you're looking to add more columns, all you need to do is click on Add. This feature lets you expand your layout to accommodate more content. It's flexible, so feel free to customize as needed. Keep in mind, you can adjust the width of each column specifically. When you manipulate one column's width, the remaining columns automatically resize to fill 100% of the available space. This ensures a consistent look across your entire layout. The beauty of Card is that you can add as many columns as you want. Just remember to balance functionality with aesthetics. Too many columns can make your page look cluttered. Another aspect you can control is the alignment of each column. Adjusting alignment can help emphasize key elements, directing the viewer's attention where you want it to go. You might also consider using one of your columns as a spacer. This option is great for preventing your design from feeling too cramped. Last but not least, if you anticipate that your Card site will be opened on mobile devices, take advantage of the Stack option. This ensures your columns stack vertically if they don't fit on the screen, maintaining a user-friendly mobile experience. Once you've made all your adjustments and you're happy with how everything looks, simply click on Done. This saves your changes and you're all set. And there you have it. You've successfully added and resized container columns in Card. With these steps, you can create a clean, effective layout that enhances the user experience. Happy creating!